In this next section we're going to talk about scheduling tasks. Sometimes you don't want to execute your scripts manually whenever you're on your laptop. So sometimes you want to execute a script maybe on the first hour of each day or Mondays or anything like that. We will look at two approaches here. One is called Cron Jobs, which is going to be used on Linux and macOS, so Unix-based systems, and the other one is the task scheduler built into Windows. In the beginning, cron jobs might look a little bit complicated, but if you invest some time to understand them, they're pretty handy and easy to do. So you can define, for example, minutes, hours, days, months, and everything like that in order to map every possible situation. Go ahead and check out the Cron tab guru in order to play around with it a little bit more. We'll look at some examples in the next lecture. The Windows Task Scheduler is something that lets you do the exact same thing but gives you a graphical user interface to use in order to make this stuff a little bit more easier. So let's go ahead and play around with scheduling a little bit.